Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create a resume in Word. You can actually create your resume or CV in Word through Scratch or by a template. Creating it from scratch will be really hard because you have to do it everything one by one and it will take a lot of time. So I'll show you the easiest way, which is using templates that is available by Word itself. So you don't have to go to any other website or any other platform to get these templates. So what you have to do is you have to open up your Word and then you will see this file option on the top left side of this page. As you click on file, you will see some of the templates and this option more templates. You have to click onto it and there you will see number of templates available. Within that we have some of them related to resume or CV. So you can actually check all of them and which one you like the most you can click onto it and you can start creating your CV or resume onto it by adding your info. So just simply select anyone that you like it and then click on create. Once you click on create, then it will take this page to the Word where we can edit it. Now here first, once you see it, you will see this image. You can remove it and add yours, and whatever information is written there, it's just a sample. You can remove it and adds your info. Like you can add your name, your surname, and your details, and you can start with your resume. Whatever written is there is just an example. Remove it and start adding your info. And if you want to add some more text other than that, you can just simply write anything whatever you like to. So this is actually a one cover letter. If you want to explore more, you can again go to that option that is in the file and go to the templates and then simply open any other resume template if you want to. Then once you have seen it, click on create and it will take you to that Word. Now again, there we have these options. Just simply remove it and add your information, like add your picture, add your name, your details, phone number, your intro, your experience, your education. You can also add the skills, activities. If you have any sort of certifications or any other thing that you want to add here, you can just simply remove any part and start typing anywhere you would like to and add your info. And once you're done creating the CV, you can just simply export it into PDF or just simply Word and can use it. So just simply add your info and after that the CV will be yours. So that's how you can create a resume in Word. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching the video.